Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will know how to add digital signature on PDF documents while exporting, emailing, or saving as PDF through print in TallyPrime. Digital signature confirms that the authorized signatory or the person who has printed the signature on the document takes the complete responsibility of its content. With digital signature, a tampered or altered document can easily be identified as tampering or altering impacts the digital signature. If your business is a company and audited under Section 44AB, then you must already be having a digital signature certificate dongle. However, if you are yet to issue a DSC dongle, then you can get it issued by one of the certifying authorities such as eMudra, Capricorn, SafeScript, PantaSign CA and other authorities. Now let us see how to add digital signature while exporting, emailing or saving as PDF through print in TallyPrime. To use the facility of digital signature in TallyPrime, ensure that your DSC dongle is connected to your laptop or computer. Insert the DSC token or dongle in your laptop or PC. You may want to export vouchers with digital signature. Open any voucher for which you want to add digital signature. Go to Daybook and drill down to the voucher. You can also add digital signature after entering the details. Go to Export, Current, or press Ctrl E. Click on F8 File Format and select PDF Read-Only Document from the Export Settings screen. Select the digital signature from the list of digital signature certificates. If you want the TallyPrime system to ask you before adding digital signature every time, then select Yes. The format of signature is only text. Click Send and Yes to sign the voucher digitally. Enter the user PIN and click Login. As you can see, the digital signature is placed above the authorized signatory. Similarly, you can also add the image of the organization's logo, stamp, image of your signature, or any other image relevant to your purpose and include your name with digital signature. To do so, select Format of Signature as Text and Image from the Export Settings screen. Select the image path, image file name, and choose the Include Name of Signatory as Yes. Click Yes to sign the voucher digitally with image. As you see, the digital signature gets added with the image and text above the authorized signatory label. If you have the email ID of your stakeholder, customer, or vendor, then you have a facility to send digitally signed transactions to them via email using TallyPrime. Go to Email and Current. Select your email ID and enter recipient's email ID. Enter subject and email message as needed and click Email. Enter the password. The digitally signed voucher will be sent to the mentioned email. Similarly, you can save the voucher in PDF format by selecting Microsoft Print to print in TallyPrime. To save a voucher in PDF format, click Print, Current. Click Configure, Printer, and select Microsoft Print to PDF from the list of printers. Select other details and click Save. You can also select Microsoft Print to PDF file format by pressing F6 Printer from right side button bar. As you can see, the voucher is saved as PDF in your computer. Let's see how to export multiple voucher reports in TallyPrime. You can share multiple voucher reports to a chartered accountant for audit or export multiple transactions for specific period of a customer. The facility of adding digital signature while exporting multiple transactions ensures that all the transactions have a digital signature above the authorized signatory label, which can be seen at the end of each transaction. Open TallyPrime. Click Export Others. The list of reports screen appears. Select the Multi-Voucher report and press Enter. Click Configure and choose the report details as per your requirement. Click Send to export. All the transactions have a digital signature above the authorized signatory label, which can be seen at the end of each transaction. And of course, you can add digital signature to any report. As you saw, TallyPrime enables you to add digital signature in transactions or reports during export, email, and save as PDF through print, and imparts authenticity to your documents. Thank you. To know more about TallyPrime features, visit help.tallysolutions.com.